Hi there. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at Nisperos, which are around in Spain from spring until midsummer. These were new for me when I moved here. I hadn't tried them before, so that was exciting. These ones are from Callosa in Valencia, near Alicante. In the rest of the world, they're known as loquats. So you can see it's a small fruit around the same size as an apricot, and they have thin skins and bruise really easily. They have 3 small stones in the middle. You can't eat the skin, so you just peel it off, and then the flesh inside is medium firm, so it's between an apricot and maybe an apple or a nashi. You can see it's quite juicy. It's got a really fresh taste with a bit of a citrus zing. Today I'm going to continue cutting the small segments, and then I'm going to do a spin on the classic Italian prosciutto e melone to make some bite-sized Nispero tapas. So cut your segments, 1 Nispero per person, cut into 4 to 6 segments. Slice some jamon serrano or prosciutto lengthwise, and then just wrap each segment up. Keep doing that for all the segments. Finish with some oil if you like, and some sliced herbs. I use sliced mint here. That's it. Enjoy!